What is up, guys? God bless you all. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna celebrate my birthday and 400 subscribers. So yes, a couple days ago we hit 400 subscribers, and also today is my birthday. So in a way to celebrate, I just got a present for myself just to celebrate both things. So went on Best Buy and I got something that it should help the quality of the videos to increase. And I have a brand new Canon G9X. I heard is very good reviews about this camera, and it's very similar to the G7X, which a lot of people use it. So I got this one instead. With that, I got also 64 gigs memory card to be able to record the videos. As well, I got a new Joby. This one is actually the XS series, which is the same one I'm using in the GoPro right now. This one is black, so it should keep cleaner. And in here I got another battery for the camera. So this one is a short video. Just wanna basically unbox the new camera, and hopefully this will help me to make better videos for all of you guys. So if you guys excited, just press the like button. Again, thank you all. I appreciate the 400 subscribers. And yeah, this is the beginning. A lot more to come. The cars, they're gonna be ready sometime this year. Hopefully, I'm gonna go to the racing track and test them. That's the plan. The plan is to have fun. And yeah, just stay tuned for more, better quality, a lot more content coming. So yeah, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. God bless you all, and have a nice day.